Severe thunderstorm warning does include Morgantown until 1:15, so just another 10 to 15 minutes or so. Heavy rain, strong damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour, as well as some hail is possible. So we are at the Meadowbrook Mall today. We did have this wonderful event with Mr. Snowbird here, and it was Tuesday with Toddlers. A group of about 30 to 40 kids came to the Meadowbrook Mall. We did the Snowbird Shuffle, shook our tail feather, and had fun. We are going to be seeing more of this move on down toward our south, coming on from Charleston up I-79. Lots of lightning with this heavy rain moving off towards Fayette County into Webster, Braxton, Upshur, as well as Lewis County. We are even seeing a little bit of hail with this half-inch in diameter hail. That's equivalent to like a dime or a penny too, so definitely want to be safe. Beautiful sunrise over the city of Clarksburg this morning. A little bit cool out there, a little bit of a haze and patchy bit of fog too out there. But as you head into the mountains, that's where we're seeing visibility down to a mile or less over in parts of Barber, as well as Preston, Tucker, Randolph, Pocahontas, and now Garrett counties.
Meteorologist Scott Sincoff, well, hopefully can wake you up, tell you some good news this morning. Scott, will we see the sun? We
will probably not see the sun on this April 25th. You know, it's not too hot, it's not too cold, but you're definitely going to need that light jacket this morning. As showers already coming down across Harrison, Doddridge, and Lewis County. I'm here at the Spent Grain Cafe and Screech Owl Brewing near Brewston Mills, where they use this spent grain that goes from this to this. It's pretty chilly this morning across north central West Virginia, but if you're heading out to Milan Pushkar Stadium Saturday morning, definitely want to have the blue and gold hat ready, maybe even the winter coat, some hand warmers too. Definitely going to be cold for that breakfast tailgate, as kickoff is only going to be around or just above freezing. Things are looking especially rough for our furry friends. Definitely going to be hot out there for the dogs, so make sure just to feel your hand on the pavement for 5 to 10 seconds. If it's too hot for you, it's too hot for Declan.
Yesterday, June 23rd, was the 75th anniversary of the most fatal severe weather event to roll through West Virginia. Meteorologist Scott Sincoff has more.
June 23rd, 1944, 8:30 p.m., the Mountain State's deadliest tornado happened right here on Pleasant Hill in Shinston, West Virginia. More than 100 West Virginians died and hundreds more were injured in the storm when an F4 tornado with 170-mile-per-hour winds tracked from Marion into Randolph County and drilled the small community of Shinston. Not one family was unaffected by the tornado in the small Harrison County town, says lifelong resident John Rice, who was almost 6 years old when it happened, and he remembers the storm like it was just yesterday.
I remember there was a barn that had a horse in it. The barn was gone and the horse was still standing there. And they found people's belongings in Morgantown. The wind and the river had taken it, you know, for a joyride to Morgantown.
Even though there was physical damage, the storm shaped the fiber of the town for years to come. Former Mayor Wanda Ashcraft, who was 11 years old on that fateful June evening, says that living through the storm taught her about community service, being a better person, and most importantly, that anything can happen.
Because you never, you know, people say, oh, it never happened in West Virginia. We have hills. And it really, people came for hundreds of miles to see it. And they realized that in one instant, your whole life could be changed. Your family wiped out. Everything you own's gone.
And with everything gone, there was only one thing to do: rebuild and make this little community a bit stronger. Reporting in Shinston, Scott Sincoff, 12 News. Good morning, everyone. 10 to 6 right now. Beautiful sunrise over in the city of Clarksburg on the Storm Tracker 12 Weather Eye. Make sure to snap a pic, send it to weather@wboy.com, or drop us a line on Facebook or Twitter with these beautiful sunrise pictures right now across north central West Virginia. Looking pretty nice because of high pressure sitting pretty over in our neck of the woods right now. That high pressure is going to give us lots of sunshine, but that wind and moisture being pumped in from the southwest, that increased humidity is going to give us a chance of a few pop-up showers and storms as we're stuck between a cold front and an upper level boundary to our northwest. Right now, though, a couple patches of fog here and there. Visibility not really reduced throughout the majority majority of north central West Virginia at the current moment, with plenty of sunshine. A very light wind, 0 to 5 miles an hour, is with us. That's one of the reasons why we're seeing that fog. Very light winds keeping that fog at bay, a mixing of warmer and cooler air as temperatures are a little bit on the milder side in the lowlands. 65 in Clarksburg, 62 in Ellenboro, 63 in Middleburn, 58 over in Webster Springs, 54 in the mountains of Tucker County. Temperatures, though, will be increasing into the 60s by around 9 o'clock, but by lunchtime, upper 70s to low 80s. A few more clouds will build as the afternoon goes on, but with that increased humidity, dew points are going to be in the low to mid 60s. Things will get a little juicy, and that's going to give us a chance of a few pop-up showers and storms from the afternoon into the dinner hour. And then as we go overnight, a few more clouds, a couple of leftover isolated showers and thunder showers will make way into the region. Then tomorrow, pretty nice, a mix of clouds and sunshine, so a little bit cloudier, a few more pop-up showers and storms throughout the afternoon and evening tomorrow. Then a lot more sunshine come on Friday throughout north central West Virginia. So let's break things down. Temps today jumping into the mid to upper 80s, hot and humid. A few pop-up showers and storms later on with a light wind out of the west-southwest, 5 to 15 miles an hour. Overnight temperatures will decrease into the mid-60s. A mix of clouds, a stray shower and storm because of that high pressure, as temperatures will be jumping into the upper 80s to around 90 over the next couple of days. But because of that heat and humidity, a few more pop-up showers and storms are possible Thursday and Friday as we approach 90 degrees. 87 on Saturday, 83 on Sunday as more storms roll on through, but temperatures will remain in the low to mid-80s. Plenty of sunshine Monday and Tuesday.